Now here one more very important point to discuss is the frustum culling. So before rasterization, before even dividing the screen into tiles, we will remove Gaussians outside camera view. That is frustum culling. Frustum culling is removing the Gaussians outside camera view. Gaussian is discarded if center is outside frustum. If the center of the 3D Gaussian is outside the camera view, those 3D Gaussians will be eliminated. That they will not be considered. And projected size is negligible. And this is very important because this reduces workload dramatically. This reduces workload dramatically. So this is like a very important operation because see, in the raw scene without frustum culling, Gaussians may be millions, but after frustum culling, it might get converted into thousands or even lakhs. So that's very, so the idea is very clear that okay, we have millions of Gaussians, we will do the frustum culling wherein we'll get thousands of Gaussians. Now we will break the scene into, we will divide the scene into tiles, we'll splat, we'll throw these 3D Gaussians on the tiles and we'll project 3D to 2D projection and then sorting based on the depth and alpha compositing. So that is the tile based rasterization.